Wow. Talk about a photogenic storm.
You can see it.
Yep, I know. Holy shit, this looks good. Fuck, I missed it. It's like the weird blend of cold and warm air. That was like fun to drive in. God, this is seriously cool to watch. Wow, this looks so awesome. Best weather day in months. Good shots of this shit.
Are you gonna buy me fried pizza?
Whoa! Ha! I got that on camera. I got that on camera. I got that shit on camera.
Oh my god, you got something. Oh. Yeah, the double rainbow. You see the double rainbow?
Yep, I see it. Actually, I stepped out. I filmed a little bit too, so I got during the storm. Whoa! I hope I caught that. Holy shit. It's so cool to watch. Come on, one more good one for Daddy.
Lightning strike a tree? Yeah, it's not a good
Bro,
thing.
try going out to the Midwest.
Yeah, you're telling me.
I was actually delayed in the airport in Denver because of a storm.
Yes, I've actually seen that. I've actually seen that delay before.
Like this happened to me like a month ago, not
Come
even.
on, send a big one. And
Still left the reprise.
he's just trying to dig it for the rock.
Holy
Yeah,
shit.
that's the negative joke. That wasn't.
Oh my god.
is making my eye cramp. Oh, that's
Just dip your fry in a milkshake and see what happens.
it's frozen coating.
Frozen coke.
Milkshake tastes like
Yes. Yes. Come on. Yes, snap eventually. Yep.
Come on, get one more good strike for Daddy.
Come on.
Seen some amazing lightning today.
Like this has been.
Gotta get some of it on camera. No,
Come on.
come on.
Come on. You know you want to give it.
You know you want it.
Sorry, just my voice crack.
Oh yeah, I have that happen all the time. It's just funny.
It's your 808. Still got top. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, that was a good one. Yeah, that happened just right above the roof.
There we go. That one was good. That one was good.
Oh, come on.
Things are getting spicy in here.
Spicy, just don't talk about the sauce.
The sauce.
Let's just talk about the sauce on the ground here. Right there.
That's chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
okay. I would like to make
Well, screw me then.